let's talk about myth number one related to energy healing or subtle energy healing. Now, the myth is that subtle energy healing will fix absolutely every issue that you have in your physical, emotional, and mental system. Why is it a myth? Because energy healing or the subtle energy healing can be a wonderful tool to dive deep into the core essence of what could be happening on a deepest level, but it could never fix problems related to your lifestyle choices that are contributing to chronic conditions that you are experiencing. So it is always about combining subtle energy healing work with modern day kinesiology and some of the other functional medicine techniques that will help realign your body, mind, and soul.